Hey, it's Greg from Ontario Motor Sales, and I am so excited to bring you this 2021 Chevrolet Silverado LT Trail Boss. This is an incredible vehicle. I can't believe Chevrolet did this. It's got the 2.6 liter V8. It's got a 10-speed automatic. It's four-wheel drive, but what makes it a Trail Boss is the 2-inch factory lift upgraded off-road suspension. I mean, it looks pretty. It's got the black Chevrolet bow ties, but it also has those red recovery hooks. We have heavy-duty skid plates, a heavy-duty air filter. This vehicle will take you literally wherever you want to go, on-road, off-road. It is capable. We have our LED daytime running lights up front. To the side, we have our 18-inch glossy black wheels. Now, the tires are really awesome as well. They are the DuraTrac MTs, and they sit about 32 inches. They are absolutely gorgeous. Here's the Z71 off-road badging, just showing that you do have that Z71 upgraded off-road suspension. We have our black mirrors, black door handles, as well as black trim around the sides. And as we come to the tailgate, we have a rear sliding window with deep tinted privacy glass. Now, the rear of this vehicle is just crazy too. So we have, starting from the bumper, a dual exit exhaust that sits very neatly. We also have assist steps built into the bumper. This really helps you access your cargo. And the tailgate is phenomenal. It is a power up, power down tailgate with an HD rear view camera, which means you can access your cargo without even opening the tailgate yourself. Just use your key fob, but I will show you more on that later. Now, this is a crew cab model, so you're gonna have lots of space in the interior, meaning that not only can you take yourself off-roading, but 4 other passengers are gonna have one heck of a time too. And speaking of passengers, let's get in the vehicle now. We have our jet black leather interior. These seats are heated for the front driver and passenger, and are power adjustable found on the side. This vehicle has the Bose Premium Sound system as well as Z71 all-weather floor mats. And right before we get into the vehicle, we're going to take a look at our transfer case. Different driving modes, including 4 high, 4 low, 2-wheel drive, and automatic. Great for easy shifting between terrains. Now that we're in the vehicle, we have our leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, great for those cold Canadian mornings. We have our cruise control as well as voice and audio controls on the steering wheel for the driver. We have a 4.2-inch driver's information center as well up front, giving you all the information you need to know wherever you go. This vehicle has a push start button. And looking here, we have the Chevrolet Infotainment 3 system. This is the Infotainment Plus, so it does come with the 8-inch high-definition touchscreen that is configurable, as well as supplies Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities. Looking down now, we also have our dual-zone climate controls. See those lovely heated seat buttons? We have our hill descent control button, our tailgate down, as well as various others like the hazard lights and traction control. In terms of connectivity, we also have USB ports, power options, and a 120-volt power plug. And just to the left of that, we do have a trailer brake controller. This thing is awesome for your cargo. Here we have the center console, and in the center console, more connectivity as well as illumination. And looking around the rest of the cabin now, we have absolutely gorgeous black leather everywhere. And looking around the remainder of the cabin, we have our gorgeous black leather. Seriously, this is a true Trail Boss. I even love the black Chevrolet bow tie on the wheel. They have thought of everything in this vehicle. And into the rear of this red hot beauty, we have our jet black continued. The leather is awesome back here. We have seat back storage. Simply pull the tab and it reveals more storage. as well as an armrest in the middle for the bench seat, 2 beverage holders, super convenient back here. Looking up, we also have our rear sliding window. And at the rear of the console, more beverage holders, dual climate vents, USB connectivity, and a 12-volt power option. Increasing the space in this vehicle is really easy. Simply put your hand on the bottom of the seat, pull up, and the seats come up to show you have a cargo storage area, as well as just more space. And again, we have those Z71 all-weather mats in here. This is a great option and an incredible space layout. This tailgate is so cool. I wish I had this on my truck, but it is a power down tailgate. So look at this. Just opens by tapping your keys. That is so cool. We have those beautiful LED rear taillights, and we have this awesome bed liner protecting the bed of your truck, where we also find 12 cargo tie downs. And something that's also really cool about this truck is that it has LED lights in the bed for when the sun goes down, but you're not ready to stop working. And we have a 120 volt power outlet. This thing is awesome. I can't believe how crazy Chevy was to put a 2-inch lift in one of their factory vehicles, but they did it. And if you want to see it for yourself, feel the power of that 6.2 liter V8, or if you just have any questions and want to know more, please contact us at Ontario Motor Sales. We are happy to help answer anything we can. Thanks for watching and have a great day.